my god, is that Ross Lynch? Are you excited? That is vile.
Nah, that looks nice. Around me. I want to flex my new trouser.
I couldn't figure out whether it was salt or sugar. I feel like I need to portion control so I don't eat all of this. Does Will do anything annoying that you don't say about? I mean, do that high-pitched voice when you're drunk?
No, don't do it.
Were you friends first? If so, how did you go from friends to relationship?
Nope.
We weren't friends first. We met and we kind of like, I guess we started like talking as, I don't know how to say it.
I don't
We
think
didn't start.
friends wasn't the right word.
Yeah, we weren't talking as friends, but we weren't necessarily like, we weren't flirting with each other because that's just a bit cringy. So no, we weren't friends. We met and then we got married. What's the funniest thing that's happened when you were with each other? When we fell over on that wall? I'm so full already.
They're quite nice. It's better than I thought it was going to be.
Will,
I'm
sick.
so happy. Look, you've had like 5 chins. You've absolutely massacred it. What's on mine?
No, I just don't want the top. Wait, okay, I'll negotiate.
Have you ever had people recognise you in the streets?
In the gym the other day, have you ever had anyone recognise you? Lewis asked, have you guys kissed? Don't worry if it's too personal.
Too personal.
How did we meet?
We're at D&B party.
Double check it's filming. I almost spilt my chips.
Look, spill.
I mean,
I was the
it
first
is.
one to speak to you.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
because someone came up to you. You didn't even see me. How does Will feel about you doing YouTube?
I didn't know for ages, but I
didn't tell him.
yeah, I had to kind of work it out.
Oh, you didn't.
Because you did have it in your bio, to be fair.
What is the thing you find most annoying about each other and the thing
Wait,
you
no,
like
no.
most about each other?
Literally.
Yeah, what do you
And
like most about me?
You get so triggered if I... No, you get so triggered if I did that.
No, I wouldn't. I'd laugh.
Fucking would.
What do you like most about
That
me?
was so great.
Stop,
That was so loud.
What do you like most about me?
Your ass.
Yeah.
You sound really soppy. I like the way you always look for the best in people.
The thing that annoys me about Will is that you don't tell me a lot of your achievements because I think you want to be humble and it's like I want to know. If you won the art prize, you need to tell me till like 4 days later. Whereas when I do something and I'm like happy and proud of it, I tell you straight away and then I'm like, oh my god, and I'm just like gloating to you. Because I'm like, I want to know about your things because I love you and I'm proud of you and I love hearing about what you do. And the thing I like most about you is the way you treat me. Because I've never had like someone treat me as well as you do. And you treat everyone so kindly even if they're not very kind people themselves. And I think that's a lovely thing to do. Why does he make you happy? He makes me happy because,
Chicken.
do you want the chicken?
I will. I'm gonna get some water.
And you call me disgusting. The thing I like... Oh my god. Will makes me happy because he treats me right. I feel like so many boys like nowadays just treat girls so badly because they can get away with it and too many girls put up with like absolute nonsense. You make me happy because you make me laugh and you make me smile. He's just nice and...
I just stepped on it.
Doesn't make my dog very happy. You're just a lovely person and you work hard and you're an art boy and you've got lovely hair. Can you fit each other's fists inside your mouths?
I'm not actually doing it.
Yeah. Please.
It is weird.
Try. Archie asks whose hair is softer. Yours has got lots of product
Mine's
in
quite
it.
coarse. Yours is.
Hayes Alex asks, what do you think about country boys? Country boy, I love you.
Is that a right?
I love you.
I'm a country boy.
Oh my god, you just don't understand the internet, do you? What was each other's first impressions when you first met? I thought, the bed, this boy is very attractive. And I remember, I saw you from a distance and I thought you were really old. I thought you were like 20. When I actually came up close to you, I was like, oh my god, you have such a nice face. Because I remember just your eyes being so big and so round and like these beautiful brown eyes.
I thought you were horrible. No, I thought you were gorgeous.
What was your first impression after talking to me?
You came across as very kind, very outgoing and comfortable and And you made me feel more comfortable because you were so comfortable yourself.
What does Will look like in a wig?
No.
Which one of you is smarter? Will, definitely. Who is a better biological female?
What?
Who gets more jealous? I think me.
That's a good question.
But you don't. I trust you.
We both get, you know, like.
So I don't get jealous,
I trust you.
I'm more like, I'm really like, if a girl comes up to him on like a night out or something, I'm like, but I'm not confrontational and I'm not bitchy at all, so I'll never go up and be like, you're talking to my boyfriend there. Who has a faster metabolic rate? William. Archie asked who has more white blood cells.
Me.
Do you think you'll move in together anytime soon?
We really live together.
We pretty much do. I don't really think you should discuss that stuff too in depth.
Like, we've talked about it, but not like practically.
Yeah, but we've been like, yeah, it'd be so fun, but like,
exactly.
do you know what I mean? Who's older?
Molly.
Oh, Minky, you're an old little lady, aren't you? Funniest drunk thing you've done? Probably hallucinate Sam walking back with us. I was adamant that his friend walked back with us to the flat and that his friend was in the flat with us when he wasn't.
No, you said you thought he got up and left.
Yeah, at night. How long have you been together? Not that long at all.
What month is it? Is it May?
That's a really good question.
Check on my phone.
April.
Is it not April?
It is.
Oh no, that's the middle of May.
Yeah, it's May.
It's been 4.5 months.
That's not long. 4.5 months official, but then we knew each other for 2 months before that. Favourite items of clothing that the other person wears?
I
love that navy blue t-shirt.
I know, it's so basic.
It's literally such a basic t-shirt, but every time we wear it, I'm like, I love that t-shirt. I love that.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it from me.
Mm-hmm.
I love your, like, Versace. The ones you say look like Versace. And, like the black bodysuit, the plunge one, if that's what it's called.
I wore that on New Year's Eve.
I only just, like, learned what a bodysuit was because of you.
What attracted you to each other initially? I think I should answer this first because I saw you first. His hair. I saw his hair and I was like, holy shit. I think you were wearing like a bandana that night.
No.
I think you were. No. I remember a bandana. I was very not visually correct though. I remember us having like different conversations. Are you not eating that?
No, I'm just washing my hands up.
Oh. And then I got with his friend.
What?
Stop. What was your first impression of me when you saw me?
I thought you were really, really tanned. I thought you were really dark. Obviously, I thought you were absolutely gorgeous.
Oh my god. Oh, who said I love you first? Me. Actually right here.
Can I give Molly a chip?
Who's better looking? William. At Will, do you prefer being the little or big spoon?
Big.
No, he doesn't. He prefers being little. Would you trade each other for your celebrity crush? Well, Will actually does look like my celebrity crush, so like probably not because I love your personality. I might not love his.
Do you know who my celebrity crush is?
No.
I never told you.
No. Who?
Margaret Robbie.
I knew that every boy ever.
I know.
She's blonde. Because my celebrity crush looks like you. I look nothing like Margot Robbie. Shrek 2 or Shrek?
Shrek 2.
Yeah, Shrek 2. With that like fairy in it.
Yeah.
She's like an old lady. I'm sorry, but why have the chips like melted this? That's really triggered me. Have I been consuming that liquid chemical polystyrene? Who always ends up choosing where to eat? Say probably you, because I'm really like, I don't mind. Like I literally don't mind.
Naturally, I would not mind, but I know that we're both like that, so I want to choose somewhere.
Yeah. Most awkward moment between you two? Probably like the first time we met, not gonna lie. What? When you were trying to put your arm around me and I was not having it.
I didn't find that awkward.
I found it a bit. Yeah, but it's not awkward, it's just more like you're nervous.
Yeah, I didn't think it was awkward at all that day.
And then the first time you
That's why I was nervous about.
Putting your arm around me?
No, like being like bare, like just not having anything to talk about because I didn't know what your interests were.
No, but it wasn't awkward, it was just like, I was nervous.
Salty.
Be honest, when did you first start having feelings for the other person? The night...
When you were skiing. What?
You just hit your head. Yeah, I realised I have feelings for you, like actual, like I fancied you before and stuff, but I realised like I had actual feelings for you when it was the time before you went skiing. What was it like for you when Will was stuck in the upside down? It was really stressful. I'm glad to have him back, and I hope now all the fairy lights on my chimney breast make a lot more sense.
Is it from Stranger Things?
Do you ever just accidentally go fishing with your dyslexic aunt?
All the time.
Alex asked, who do you love more, me or Will?
Sure, Alex, who I thought was tall.
You also asked how tall am I? Alex is probably like 5'4", and to be honest, I'd have to say I love Emma more. Do you get on with Will's friends?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not sure anymore.
Don't bring that up.
You are so pretty. Is it a chicken or a hurricane tortilla? Yay! Oh, we love you. We are a big happy family. Have you ever seen a dog so happy? I love you.
Action.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Ella asks, Floss, name your favourite Camden girls. I just want to mention, to be honest. Probably, Sadie, Tabsy. I literally can't name people because, like, there are a lot of people I like from Camden. But obviously Ella too. Who made the first move?
I actually can't remember.
I remember exactly
I know,
what I said
remember
to
what
you.
you said. You said,
Oh!
You said...
Ah! I swear Ollie asked the question.
No, his was horrible.
What was it?
His was like, no, we're not going to talk.
Have you enjoyed filming? It's nice,
I've
isn't it?
enjoyed it.
Yeah, he liked it, guys. So Will's going to be starting a YouTube channel. It's going to be called Little Miss William. Ow!
Oi.
Ow! You got my hat. Will! You got my hat. Ow!
Alex_Applin said, does Will leave fruit in unconventional places?
Yeah, what is that about? What's that about?
Do I?
Is that like an arty boy thing?
Do I?
No.
No.
Will, what the I feel really left out of this inside joke.
I'm taking over your channel.
Why?
Oh, Molly.
Please
You're so lovely.
send a photo of this to Ollie because he said he likes Molly. Those are all the questions that we're going to answer today. On behalf of both William and I, we'd like to say a big thank you to everyone who sent questions as well as everyone who watched this video. I'll leave both of our Instagram names on the screen now so you can go and follow us if you want, and you can follow me if you would like to be involved in the next Q&A. With a little poopa. With a little poopa. With a little poopa. Chicken? I have all my social medias listed in the description box down below if you would like to go and check those out. Do give the video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Leave comments and requests in the comment section down below. Subscribe if you would like to see more of me and mention in the comments. And I will see you all very, very soon.
Adios. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.